So I'm using the tutorial pants and I'm going to cut 2 legs out. So my fabric is already folded in half like that, and I'm going to place that on there so I can cut one out and then cut another piece out further down. I'm going to lay that like that, but I'm actually going to come further out a little bit because I want this part to be a bit bigger on these trousers, right? There wasn't hardly any gather at all if I open that out fully. So that's nice and straight, like that. Again, watch the tutorial and it will help you understand how to get that shape. And these trousers, the front side is narrower like that. So you just tuck that in, and we just literally going to cut this pattern without the waistband. So you've got this pattern like this. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it out. And I've given myself 1 centimetre seam allowance all the way around. Thing with everyday trousers, you don't actually want them as flappy as that, but palazzo pant style is in. We've got the 2 legs, and what we want to do is have a bib for the front and a bib for the back. The bib on the front tends to be quite short compared to the back, so I'm going to have a 10 centimetre difference. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the bib the full width of this fabric, but I'm only going to go up 30 centimetres. If I make the bib actually 30 centimetres, 1 centimetre seam allowance, and then I can fold it over by 4 centimetres to give me a nice top edge. So let's make that 35. So that takes us to there. Just go a bit lower because I've not got a straight edge there. And I'm just going to make a curve. Like that. So with the back, I'm going to go up 10 centimetres taller there. Like that. And I'm going to match the shape of the bib. Like that. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to have 2 pockets on the front of my trousers. So what I've measured here is a width of about 23 centimetres. You can go down to 20. I've just done this very rough. And 35 centimetres, actually 36 centimetres. What I've done then is gone in 10 centimetres like that, and then down 20 centimetres like that, and then I've just drawn a pocket opening like that. So because I've done one already, I'm just going to mirror that. Our 2 straps that come all the way round. We're going to have button facing on there, so I'm going to put a piece of facing on the back here and on the front here, 12 centimetres, and then measure another 12 centimetres, so we've got 2 strips. Okay, so I've got my bib at the back, and what I'll do is I'll join them together and flip it over, and then I have a nice secure space for buttonholes, and these are going to be my straps. So 10 centimeters there, and then from there I'll do another 10. So I've got 2 straps, and they measure 60 centimeters. There's 1, and there's 2. Right, so there we go. Let me show you what we're doing. Okay, so that's the back bit with its facing. We'll cut it off when we've done it. We've got the front bib with its facing, like that. We've got 2 straps, joining them together, and a buttonhole. Then we have 1 leg with pockets there, 1 leg there with pockets there. Right, so we need to work with all the smaller pieces first. So I'm going to make the straps. I'll sew the facings onto the front and the back pieces. I'll sew the pockets and then attach them to the legs, and then we'll attach the bibs to the legs and finish off with hems and side seams.